Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Well, today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. And today we have a guest host, which is Anna Lee from Anna Lee's Cupboard. Now I wanted to show you my tablecloth, which did belong to my mother. And so this is the first time I've used it since she passed away. So it's very special to me, and I was so happy to be able to use it. So here is my Christmas tablescape. I have this pretty centerpiece with a little garland wreath around a candle. And it's all sitting on a cake stand. And then my plate setting is this Christmas ribbon cup and dessert plate. I think it is so pretty. I love the little ribbon around the edging. And here's the dinner plate. I had thrifted this whole set. And then as a placemat, I'm using this embroidered placemat. But I wanted to show you the tablecloth again. Isn't that pretty? I think that is beautiful. So I place the placemat down first with the dinner plate, the salad or dessert plate, and the cup. Next, I have a cream color napkin with this little tasseled napkin ring. Isn't that pretty? The napkin rings I thrifted as well. And then I have these clear wine glasses. I believe these were wine glasses that were used when my son and daughter-in-law got married. And then from the Dollar General, I bought these little salt and pepper shakers that look like little nutcrackers or little toy soldiers. So I thought those looked really cute. And then I have these really pretty red shot glasses that we had brought back from a cruise that we took for our 25th wedding anniversary. We're actually about ready to take our second cruise for Thanksgiving, where we're having a family reunion with about 40 family members. Very excited for that. Okay, now we have a candle holder, a crystal candle holder with a burgundy tapered candle in it. And the candle I got at the Dollar General, it's very pretty. Another look here at the tablecloth. I am just so happy to be able to showcase this. Now, one of the things that we're going to do when we do take our cruise, because that's one thing my mom always wanted to do, was go on a cruise, but she never got the chance. So I'm going to take a photo of her and put it in a bottle. And then also for any of the family members that want to do the same, I believe they're going to either write little letters or have photographs of her, and they're all going to do the same thing. And so it's just a special way of us to all remember Mom and the special lady that she really was. Now the tea that I've chose for today is Candy Cane Lane by Celestial. It's a green tea, very good. Now I'm going to light the candles. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Be sure to check out the playlist. And a big thank you to Anna, Courtney, and our guest host, Anna Lee, for hosting this collaboration. And I want to thank all my subscribers and all my new subscribers. If you like this content, be sure to ring that notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Wishing everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye for now.